How to implement anti-lock features on your Android device. Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dawn. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can quickly implement or turn on anti-theft features on your Android phone. The phone I'm using is Pixel 8 Pro, and your phone or your version may look different based on the manufacturer and the Android version of your phone, but the basic concept should be the same. So the first thing you need to do, you need to go to the settings, and in order to do that, slide it to the lower part, and then here you can just click on the setting button, which is right there, and then here you're going to see a search. So search for theft, THEFT, and then here you're going to see theft protection. If you click on that, then here you're going to see that this is a theft detection lock, and the screen will lock itself if it detects someone is taking your phone or running away. Now slide it to the right. What it does that if it detects sudden movement, then it will try to lock your screen. It may or may not work all the time, but it's always good to have this option on. And the second option you have here is offline device lock. Now what it does that if your device is offline, then it will lock your screen. I kept this on, off, because I don't want the system to lock my screen or lock my device every time it goes offline, because it can go offline due to no internet or when you're restarting your phone. It can be various reasons. So for that, I kept it off. You can turn it off, turn it on, and slide it to the right if you choose to do that. Now here you're going to see that there are other options, remote lock, and let's click on that. And here you can see that remote lock. So what it does that if your device is lost or stolen, you can lock the screen with just a phone number. So you have to just go to this website, android.com/lock, and then you have to enter the phone number, and you have to assign a phone number. So I have an assigned phone number which is showing right underneath the phone number, but I'm not going to scroll down because it will show the phone number. So that's what it does, and you should activate it by sliding it to the right. Now let's go back, and we're going to check the last option, which is find and erase your device. So if you click on it, then here you see this option, slide it to the right. So what happens if you lose your device, then you can locate it, or you can erase it, and you can remote lock it. So in order to remote lock, which I already showed you before, and then find my device app, which you should have on your phone. If not, you can just click here and open the app, and then find my device on the web, which is, you can do the same thing on the web. So definitely you should have this on, or slide it to the right all the time. So basically these are the all basic features you should have on your phone turned on just by simply slide it to the right.